Rooting for you, Unraveling the Meaning. Hello, dear language learners. Today, we're diving deep into a popular English phrase that you might have come across, root for. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it like a native speaker. Root for is an informal English phrase. When someone says they are rooting for someone else, it means they are supporting them, usually in a competition, challenge, or any situation where someone is trying to achieve something. Think of it as cheering for someone or hoping for their success. For example, I'm rooting for the underdog in the match. Don't worry, we're all rooting for you on your exam. The origin of the phrase, root for, is a bit uncertain. Some believe it comes from the British term, root for, meaning to cheer or make noise. Others think it has its roots, pun intended, in American baseball slang from the late 1800s. Regardless of its origin, the phrase is now widely used in American English to express support or encouragement. To truly grasp a phrase, it's essential to see it in action. Let's look at a few more examples. 1. Even though they're competing against each other, he's rooting for his friend. 2. I always root for the contestants who seem genuine and kind. 3. Are you rooting for any team in the playoffs? Remember, you can use this phrase in various contexts: sports, personal achievements, contests, and more. That's it for today's lesson on the phrase, root for. Remember, whenever you want to express your support or encouragement for someone, rooting for is a perfect phrase to use. We hope this video has been enlightening, and as always, we're rooting for your English learning journey. Until next time,